Got a huge pile of veggies here. I'm getting ready to make some veggie chili. I've got my Ninja Foodie on high on the saute mode, sear saute, and I am going to, once it's hot, add in my veggies. My cat's crying at me. While this heats up, I want to tell you what veggies I have here. I have about 2 medium carrots, 1 large zucchini with the core taken out, the seedy part. I have 2 small onion, and I have 2 large bell peppers. My peppers were green and a little bit of red on there, so that's why you see different colors. I'm going to add in some garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons, and some spices, beans, and some tomatoes to make a really yummy veggie chili. And I'm putting this in I'm gonna first saute in my Ninja Foodie. Once it's up to temp, I'm going to put it on slow cooker mode so it gets nice and rich and delicious. I did add a couple tomatoes that I have from the garden, and I'm going to add in the garlic paste. About 2 tablespoons. Some tomato paste. Same thing, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm also using McCormick chili mix. It's 50% less sodium. I'm going to put that in and let the flavors bloom on the spices before I add my tomatoes in. Sorry about the steam. It smells so good in here. I use any veggies that I feel like. I've used butternut squash in the past, acorn squash. I just really like veggies, and this is a great way to get your veggies in. Today I'm using Rotel tomatoes. They have mild and hot and fire roasted. I'm using 2 cans of the mild Rotel. 2 of these are going in. Also, I don't think I've ever done the same chili recipe twice. I mix it up with whatever I feel like. Second can is going in. I'm going to add in some kidney beans. You can add in any beans you like. These are rinsed. Throwing in a little thing of veggie broth. This is 8 ounces. Also throwing in a can of this Bush's Best Sidekicks at Southwest Zest pinto beans and a red chili sauce with cumin and jalapenos. Looks really good. Found some pinto beans. I'm going to add those in, and I did add some sea salt. I added 2 cans of water, and I'm just gonna let this slow cook since we're not ready for dinner yet to let those flavors meld. Okay, I put it on the slow cook function, and I have it on high. It's set for 4 hours, but we're just going to eat whenever we're hungry. The chili is done, and I added about a tablespoon of cornmeal to thicken it a little bit. I already had a bowl with some cheese and sour cream on there, and let me tell you, this is so flavorful. There it is up close. Oops. Fog it up again. Really delicious.